Good to see you again. Please sit. How is it going? How did the previous one go?
The front was excellent. The top of the crown, not so much. But overall, it's very enjoyable. Very good.
Good to hear. The hair transplant can't win the race on its own because it's a continuous thinning, and the crown will never be excellent if you don't use hair loss medication. And don't forget, there's a finite amount of donor hairs, and once all is used, there won't be anything to do. So it's important to use medication. Looks natural. So what's your goal this time? Should I assume that now you want to increase the coverage in the crown?
Yes, that's right.
You've cut these few hairs short here, and why was that?
Just the barber did that.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's a hairstyle, is it?
pretty much.
Okay. It's very easy to use minoxidil especially.
Is that what you recommend?
You can use finasteride and minoxidil. So we're doing only the crown this time, right?
Up to you. Whatever you think is more recommended.
But frequently when the patient comes again, we look at the frontal hairline again, but
Front recess a
it
little
doesn't
bit.
need anything.
It recessed a little bit from the last time, but it's not as bad.
As I said, had you used medicine, chances are you could have even avoided this hair transplant. Well, your donor density is not extremely high either. It's kind of in between donor area. So you could choose between only using the necessary amount for the crown, or you could go for, taking a significant amount and just putting hairs here and there. Well, I would use my donor hairs economically, and I would just do the crown and take the medicine. And also, if we opt for this plan, we have the option of only shaving the donor area and keep this hairstyle, so it will be an additional benefit to you. You're cutting the sides very short anyway, so we could just shave that area, leave the top as it is, so it will give you some. So if we're not doing anything in the front, you have that advantage of, not having to shave the front.
If we do decide to front,
Then you shave it on. Really, honestly, the front doesn't need any new hairs. Just needs some protection with medicine, that's all it needs. Because they have variable effect on every individual, so you can't know without trying. But if there's any reason you can't take one of them, at least using one, you do something, because otherwise you just surrender to the long-term hair loss. Okay?
thank you.